Today we're going to be continuing to calculate the perimeter of a range of 2D shapes. You're going to be successful by using your previous knowledge of 2D shapes and their properties. You're going to need to use your knowledge of addition and multiplication and apply all of that knowledge to solve problems. So here is the problem that you are going to be faced with, or similar to this. So I'm going to be calculating the sides of a shape when I know the perimeter. So here is an isosceles triangle. The perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 31 centimetres. Now, first thing I need to do is think, well, what is an isosceles triangle? They're being very specific on this triangle here. So you'll notice that on today's sheet there is a bit of a help sheet that goes through the properties of all of the triangles. And I know that an isosceles triangle has two sides the same length. What are the lengths of the other two sides of the triangle? Okay, right. Now, if my two sides are the same length, I can see that by these little lines. That is meaning that those two sides are the same. I can calculate one of the sides of the triangle very easily. Must be the same as the other one, 12. They're the two that are the same. Now, all I need to do is calculate the one that isn't. This one down here. So, I'm a visual learner, so I'm going to draw myself a bar model. I suggest you do at this type of point as well. So, I know the whole perimeter. I know the whole, that's up there, 31 centimetres. I know one part, which is 12. I know another part, which is another 12. And I'm trying to find the missing part there. So, to find the missing part, I can now see my calculation very clearly. I need to take the whole thing and I need to subtract those two 12s, and that's going to get me the part I am left with. So my two 12s together must be 24. So if I take the 24 away from the 31, I'm going to get my question mark bar. 31 subtract 24. Is going to give me 7 centimetres. So a good way I can check this is if I do 12 by 12, add 7, 12 is 24, add the 7, 31. Must be correct, that's the perimeter they gave me. Your task today? Oh, I haven't got it. Tuesday. Okay, your task today, there's a help sheet that you will need. You are going to calculate the length of these compound shapes. The length of the missing sides of these compound shapes first. Then having a look at calculating the missing lengths here when I've given you the perimeter. And then your final task is, in the following patterns, calculate the perimeter of one small rectangle again. Now this is question B and C, so you're going to need the answers to question B and question C for tomorrow's problem, and again all answers will be given at the end, they are not at the bottom. Hold on to them for tomorrow.